Ever grabbed a Rawl plug from the bag and had no idea if it's the right one? The colour isn't random, there's a system, and once you know it, you'll never guess again. Every colour corresponds to a specific drill bit size and screw gauge. The idea is simple. Match the plug to the screw, match the drill bit to the plug, get that right and your fixing will hold. Get it wrong and it'll pull straight out the wall. Yellow is your smallest standard plug. You're drilling a 5mm hole and using a number 6 or 8 screw. This is for lightweight jobs, small picture hooks, coat hooks, lightweight curtain tracks, fine for plasterboard or light masonry, but don't push it with anything heavy. Red is your most common one and you'll use a 6mm drill bit, a number 8 or 10 screw. This is your everyday general purpose plug for solid walls, brick, dense block and concrete. Shelves, mirrors, towel rails, radiator brackets. Red handles most of what you'll throw at it. Brown steps it up. You'll need a 7mm drill bit and a number 12 or 14 screw. Use this for heavy fixings, TV wall brackets, kitchen cabinets, heavy shelving units, stair handrails, anything structural or load bearing, go brown. And if you've got blue plugs, these are for masonry fixings into solid concrete or dense stone, often used with frame fixings for door frames, window boards and similar. Heavier still than brown and less common for everyday DIY. Quick tip, when in doubt, push the screw into the plug before you fix it. It should fit snugly with just a little resistance. If it slides straight through, the plug is too big. If it won't go in at all, too small. That 2-second check saves you a lot of frustration. Yellow, red, brown, blue. Now you know exactly what these ones are for. Subscribe if you want more no-nonsense DIY tips, and I'll see you in the next one.